Got it. Thank God. Right, let's try this again. So I've got this to get off, I've got this to get off, I've got this to loosen, and then I'll get to the vaporizer. I have got my spanner extender that arrived, so let's go. Right, that is all that crap off, so I can now get up to the vaporizer. That was a lot easier than it was last time because it was already all loosened and it wasn't all rusty. So, time to put my torch on and see if I can get this done. Right, so little problem. There's not enough room to manoeuvre the spanner extender. So, I don't know what I'm going to do now. So, there we go. I need to try and get that 22mm off. You can see it there. But there isn't much room. So, I think I might try starting the car and heating it up. Because I've got blowtorches, but I don't think they're long enough to reach in there. So, what a nightmare. I got it. Thank God. I had to put a ratchet strap on, undo those bolts. Got more room, managed to get the blowtorch into it a lot better, and I've got it loosened. Oh my God. So, nearly there. There we go, there is the vaporizer out of there. So, what I need to do now is clean this up, put some heat on it, and blow through that to push any of the gunk out. So that should be it blown clear now. Yep, all blown clear. So I'll heat it up another couple of times, keep blowing through it, just to make sure there isn't any wee bits in there. But that should be it sorted. Just need to put it back together now. Right, so that is it. All blown out, should be all clear. So I'm happy with that. Time to put it back together now. That should be pretty quick, so get cracked on. So that's it back in place. Just need to get it tightened up now. So it's finger tight, get a spanner on it and get it tightened up. Right, that is it all tightened up. And let's fuel line back on. Kind of. Fuel line back on. So just put all the other crap back together now. That is it all back together. Codes are still there. I need to try and get a shot of a code reader and clear all the codes, but hopefully that has sorted it. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching and I'll catch us all later.